All right, guys, today in this episode, I'm gonna show you guys some new builds by First Texas Homes. This builder offers a lot, and I'm gonna talk about it once we're inside. All right, guys, here in the front, we have like this morning table area. We have pantry in here, and we have some extra cabinet space. All your stuff and your microwave is gonna be inside along with your dishwasher. All these houses come with that, and they're all gonna come with this premium 4-seater to cook. All these houses, they feature open concept. This one has an electric fireplace, and this can either give you heat and it can also give you cold. So it's actually functionable. Tall ceilings, 2-story house, 3,800 square feet, 5-bedroom, 4 baths. We got that front area right there. Either we got the masters. On the first floor, we got the masters. We got like a little office in the front. But this is your laundry area. Back there, you'll have your 2-car garage. This specific model has this square design on the top. Double doors, double sinks, double ways to take a bath, and a nice walk-in closet. Guys, right now, they're offering 4.9% interest rate. They're offering over $20,000 in closing costs plus $5,000 if you lock one in soon. That could be for upgrades or other premium designs in the house that you can buy into. And we got like this mother-in-law downstairs. So for your parents or older people, they can stay downstairs as well. Very helpful. All right, guys, as we get to the second floor, this is where you notice that it's actually very tall. You can see the premium tall size to it. And remember, these builders, they're really good at working with the floor plans. So if you have a certain floor plan that you want to play along, they can literally switch it for you. So that's kind of unheard of. It's a game changer, and the prices are incredible. But here's one of the extra bedrooms with closet, shower with a sink, a toilet. Yeah, if you guys got a certain plan layout, they'll work with you to make it reality. And these prices go from 600 all the way to 900s. This one is 870. It's one of the bigger lots. It's almost 4,000 square feet. It's at 3,800. 5 bedrooms, so you got 2 downstairs and we got 3 up here. Another bedroom, and then it has the bath that connects. With the other bedroom. Over here we have a movie room, or I will call it entertain room. So even the lights, it's a little bit dimmer. So you can kind of freestyle in it. All these houses are smart, so they'll have their logins, so they'll have a smart thermostat. It's a great location. It's 10 minutes away from the Star and many other places. So if you guys are looking to buy, make sure you reach out to me and we'll be in touch for the next video.